saw a really beautiful eye look, and it gave me inspiration. So I actually got quite a few of them that I would like to do. Of course, I'm going to put my own spin on them. If you want to see this eye look go down, continue watching. Okay, so starting off, I'm just going to use this Oldie But Goldie. I don't know how long I've actually had this. It's probably time to throw it away. But I always start with the brows, so I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Black Eyebrow Pencil. So, yes. So now we're going to clean up underneath the brows. I'm over here using, this is Classic Ivory from LA Girl. This is the Pro Concealer. So I'm going to use one of my Wet n Wild brushes to get some product onto the bristles. And let's just kind of clean up under the brows, shall we? Okay, brows are done. So now what I want to do, I have not set the concealer at all. I'm going to go in with my Hank and Henry Alter Ego Eye Kit. This is the King's Queen one. I'm not a huge fan of the packaging because, as you can see, like the luster light part, I mean, it just leaks like all get out. Like, can you look at this? Like, it gets all over the place, and it is an extremely fine powder, or not powder, it's like a pearl pigment or something. It's crushed pearls. Over here at the top, you have two eyeshadows. The lighting, I don't know if you can tell. This one is a matte. This one is a pressed pearl eyeshadow, and then the Luster Lights is down here. Okay, so now next thing that we're going to do is I am going to cut my crease. Use the same concealer, same brush that I put the concealer on, and I'm going to do a half cut crease. Yeah, a half. I am going to clean up, and y'all see me do this a million times, but I just get a wet wipe. I mean, I could use a piece of tape, but let's just, you know, I'll just do this instead. I'm actually very pleased with this so far. Okay. So see, easy peasy lemon squeezy. We are not done because we are going to smoke it out underneath, and we will be adding some glitter over here on the inner corner. So I think what I want to do is I want to go ahead and lay down my base and then put some color to my face. I'm not gonna go crazy with this, just a little bit to highlight the middle of my face. And then I will bake with the Coty Airspun, and I use the extra coverage translucent, I believe. So now we're going to warm up the face because I'm looking like a ghost here. So going in with the Morphe palette, this is the Highlight and Contour palette, the 8L Lo-Fi palette. And it's got a variety. As you can see, I use a mixture of these two right here. So I'm going to, ooh, guys, that thunder is just going so crazy. So I'm going to contour my nose, get rid of little Miss Squidward over here, and then warm up my face. We have warmed up the face. We have some color to us now. So what I want to do is go into the Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place. And I think I want to use the color Ada, which is right here. I've used this color before for blush, and I think that I want to do that today. So I'm going to be using Ada from the Masquerade palette on my cheeks, and then I want to do my lips. I've wiped off the foundation off of my lips, and I'm going to be using the lip pencil from Rimmel London. It is in the shade Obsession, and it is a beautiful maroon color, as you can see. I really, really like this because it's the twisty up. And then for the lips, I'm actually also going to be mixing up some colors from ColourPop. I'm going to be using Limbo, which is a very dark brown. The color in the tube, it actually gets like 2 or 3 shades darker than what's in the tube, unfortunately. And I'm going to be mixing this with some Barracuda, also from ColourPop. So I'm going to be mixing these two together and applying it on my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna need to do some veiling. I'm definitely gonna need to tone this down. I think there was something else on my brush. See, guys, what? Y'all get to catch stuff live as it happens. Because this, no, that is not the color. That is not what I was going for at all. So we're going to do a little bit of veiling, which is you get your powder brush and you just kind of try to tone that down and oh, Lord. Oh, see, it works. It works. I did not add any more product to the brush. And that's a little bit too pink. I actually wanted it more of a plum color, but it's cool. We're going to work with it. We're going to work with it, guys. We're going to work with it. So just veiling. This is a technique that I've seen Lipstick Nick. She does Jaclyn Hill's makeup a lot. She does Jeffree Star's makeup a lot for his campaigns. So we are just blending. I may need to add a little bit of Coty Airspun to the, you know what, I'm just going to add what is in this compact onto it. I'm actually going to use the compact that I've been using as my mirror. It's shade 205. It's the matte press finish powder from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just kind of veiling that and diffusing it because, wow. It's cool. It's cool. It's toned down a lot. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. So just trying to tone that down and blend, 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 blend. Okay, that's not too bad, I guess. We're cooking. We're, oh, Lord. Okay. I think we fixed it. I don't know. I think we fixed it. You know what? I'm glad that happened. I'm glad that happened because, you know, now you can see how it's okay. You just got to work with it. You just got to work with it. So now the lips. Okay, so I have both of the lipsticks right here, and I am mixing it up. It is Barracuda and Limbo. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yes. So this is the lip color. Now let's try some highlight. Our highlight today is also brought to you by Juvia's Place. They came out with these new highlighters. I do have all four. The one that I'm going to be using today, I've used Royalty 2, Royalty 1, and this one is Royalty 1. I wanted a more golden toned one because this is a very warm look. So I'm going to open it. And I don't know if you can see how absolutely beautiful this is. And they fill this jar up, guys. It's so pretty. I'm going to go back into the Warrior palette and I'm going to use Mino, the color that we've got over here on our outer corner. That is just gorgeous. And we're going to smoke out our lower lash line. And then after that, I am going to do the piece de resistance. Add some glitter glue over here to the inner corner where we placed. Let me look at it again. Privileged. This one is Privileged. Over here, getting with the Warrior palette, I'm going to, I think, take Moreni. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I actually received some beautiful glitters. Keep in mind, these are just sample sizes. I will be putting all of her information down in the description with links, so be prepared for that. These are just sample sizes, but look at all of these beautiful glitters. The extra fine ones are cosmetic grades. Obviously, the more chunky glitters and the foils, you do need to have some discretion. If you are interested in looking at some of her inventory or wanting to see some of her stuff, please DM her on Instagram, following the links that I give you. Today, the glitters that I'm going to be using, or actually one glitter, it's this rose gold. It's 0.8 glitter. That's what it says. And it's a rose gold. From what she told me, I believe she just charges $1.50 for a teaspoon. And actually, she does more than a teaspoon. It's almost near to 2 teaspoons, which is more than you'll get with a lot of companies. So I think that that is very, very affordable, especially for beautiful glitters. Again, these are just little sample sizes that she sent me to do a few looks. I think I'm also going to use some of these stones that she sent me. She sent me a variety of stones as well, and she sent me some black ones. So I think I want to use one of these for like a little beauty mark, because why not? Gonna finish this up with a little bit of eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply some lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be using today, I have used them before on here, and they are from Dodo Lashes. I do have an affiliate code with them. It is made_by_Alita G, all lowercase. These are the D115s. I really, really love these guys, and they're very, very, very affordable. So definitely use my code at checkout. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope that you like it.